So tell us a little bit more about how somebody, if they were interested in getting into politics, what does that process look like a little bit? Because I have no idea what that process looks like.
So to answer your question, I would say if somebody's interested in running for an office, they need to reach out to somebody in that office. So I was in the states. I ran for state senate. I happened to have two friends who were lobbyists who worked on state issues, and I reached out to them with the first meeting. How do you do this? And they were able to educate me. And then I went from there. I talked to other state senators who already were in office and asked them who to talk to next. I have other friends who have taken my advice and run for city commissioner, county commissioner, park board commissioner, other things like that. And my advice is always the same. Talk to somebody already in that position because they've been successful. And my hope is that they will guide you with who to talk to further on the staff side or on the organization side to understand exactly all that's involved. So I wouldn't say there's one process for all public office because it really depends on what you're running for.